to be a different side of me, yeah. You'll find a different side of me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. I hope you're doing well. So I have had the MAC Strobe Cream for a while now. I love to use it when I want a bit more dewiness, a bit more glow within, and I purchased it in the shade Pinklite, which is very similar to the original one, maybe a little bit more pink, because I have cool pink undertones in my skin, and I just found that this suits me the best. And when I purchased it, I remembered that I have another product, which is the Revolution liquid highlighter. This one is supposed to be a dupe for the Cover FX highlight drops, and I have this one in the shade Liquid Starlight, which is another quite pink shade. I do enjoy a bit of a pinky champagne-y highlighter, not really gravitating towards the gold ones because they look a bit hideous on me. So when I purchased this, I decided that I actually want to do a video one day where I compare the two. I have already compared them on my hand, and I must say they look very similar. This Revolution liquid highlighter, it comes in loads of different shades, and it actually can be used multiple ways. One way is obviously what we're gonna do today, when you apply it under your foundation all over the face. And another way, what I used to personally do before, is to just tap it on here and on your nose and here, and just basically use it as a liquid highlighter. Obviously the MAC Strobe Cream is a cream, so it's not as versatile. So let's swatch them both on my hand. The Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter looks like this. As you can see, it's quite metallic. But if you keep working it in the skin, like in a bigger area, you can really sheer out the product, and then it looks like this. So it just becomes like a subtle glow. And I'm gonna show you on my other arm. The MAC Strobe Cream comes out like this. Again, it's just a cream that gives glow to the skin. So that looks like this. I think if I now put them next to each other, you can really see the reason why I think they are similar products. They both just give a really subtle glow to the skin. So as always, I'm gonna be using the cheaper one, the Makeup Revolution one on this side. This one retails for £6 and has 18 ml or 0.6 fluid ounce, and the MAC one retails for £25 and has 50 ml or 1.7 fluid ounce in it. So it actually almost works out the same if you add that up. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the product, not too much, because obviously this one is much more shiny and oily than the Strobe Cream. This one is an oil-based product, and the Strobe Cream is obviously a cream-based product. So because it's oil-based, it spreads really easily. And now we're gonna apply the MAC Strobe Cream. You don't need to be that careful on this side because obviously this is a cream-based product. It's almost like a moisturizing primer. Okay, so far I think they do look and feel very similar. On the Makeup Revolution side, my pores are really emphasized. That's obviously because it's a highlighting product, those tend to emphasize texture. The other thing I must say is that this liquid Starlight product actually has some glitter in it, which I haven't noticed before on my hand. Part of the glitter and emphasized texture in this area. I don't see any visible difference and I don't feel a difference. I thought I would, but you know, that's the thing about the oils, they become more and more irritating throughout the day. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go and apply the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back and then we will see how the two sides of the face look with the rest of the makeup on. I'm back with my final thoughts now of these two products. So I applied the rest of my makeup. I applied obviously foundation, concealer, setting powder, contour, highlight, blush, mascara and setting spray. So I have my full face on, and I must say that the two illuminators still look really similar. I have more texture going on this side of the face because I have some breakouts, or not really breakouts, it's just like hormonal stuff. This side of the face is quite good. However, with the product, I do feel like in this area my pores are emphasized, even though I should have no texture here. And on this side of the face, it is luminous, but I don't feel like I got any extra texture. So I do think if you have any texture on your skin, the MAC Strobe Cream is gonna be much better for you. And also if you have larger pores, it's gonna be better for you, because the Makeup Revolution product tend to emphasize your pores. But to be honest, that's the only difference. So if you are not bothered about having larger pores or more texture on your face, then this product will be just fine, because a part of the texture and the size of my pores, it looks literally the same. And like I said, this product is oil based, so if you have oily skin, it will clog up your pores, it might cause some breakouts, whilst the Strobe Cream is a cream product, so it's a beautiful primer, it's really hydrating. That's it guys, thank you very much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.